Okay, here's a full news update on everything that happened in the stock market today. The US stocks rose on Wednesday as tensions regarding AI eased a little bit. As you know, that has been a big focus over the last few days, but technology stocks did rally a little bit today. And we also got a lot of information coming from the Fed minutes. Let me break it down for you. The Fed meeting minutes were released today, and it showed that some policymakers are leaning towards keeping rates steady, although rate cuts may be in store if inflation can come down. Here's a quote from the minutes. Several participants commented that a further downward adjustments to the target range for the federal funds rates would likely be appropriate if inflation were to decline in line with their expectations. They also mentioned that it would likely be appropriate to hold the policy rate steady for some time as the committee carefully assesses incoming data. As we know, the markets are currently pricing in 2 rate cuts by the end of the year. But again, it'll be so interesting to see what happens with the new Fed chairman coming in, as he's been historically against rate cuts. So this is quite literally up in the air right now, and only time will tell. But this is really a massive catalyst, not only in the US markets, but global markets as well. And from the earnings report side, we'll have more earnings coming out today, as DoorDash and eBay are the big headlines to come out. And the final piece of news you need to know is that gold was trading nearly 2% higher today, and Bitcoin was down roughly 2%. But I will keep you guys updated as soon as something happens. For now, peace.